Today we will solve important questions on Bhakti and Sufi movement. Which of the following were the characteristics of Bhakti movement? Non-ritualistic, use of vernacular language, encouraged women's participation. Choose the correct answer from below given codes. Answer will be all three, 1, 2 and 3. Which of the following were the characteristic of Saguna Bhaktas? Upheld the caste system, idol worship, emergence of new sect. भक्ति मूवमेंट में भी दो पार्ट में डिवाइड हुआ था, सगुना और निर्गुण भक्तस. जो निर्गुण भक्तस थे वो कास्ट सिस्टम में बिलीव नहीं करते थे, सगुना भक्तस कास्ट सिस्टम में बिलीव करते थे, आइडल वर्शिप में भी बिलीव करते थे. सो आंसर विल बी 1 and 2. Consider the following statements regarding Shankaracharya. He was born in Andhra Pradesh and moved to North India. He was born in Kerala. He advocated the philosophy of Advaita. This is correct. Answer will be 2 only. Which of the following were written by Shankaracharya? उपदेश शास्त्री, विवेक चूड़ामणि, भाजा गोविंदम स्तोत्र. शंकराचार्य ने बहुत सारे बुक्स लिखी हैं, कमेंट्रीज लिखी हैं वेद और उपनिषदस पे. चूज द करेक्ट आंसर फ्रॉम बिलो गिवन कोड्स. आंसर विल बी 1, 2 and 3. Who among the following propounded the philosophy of Bheda Abheda? Nimbraka, Madhvacharya, Ramanujam, Vallabhacharya. Answer Nimbraka. Which of the following belong to Vithoba cult? Tukaram, Namdev, Vallabhacharya. Choose the correct answer from below given codes. तो तुकारम और नामदेव ये दोनों ही विठोबा कल्ट फॉलो करते थे. आंसर विल बी 1 and 2. Who among the following is not part of दादू पंथ ट्रेडिशन? दादू पंथ यूपीएससी में पूछा जा चुका है. विद्यापति, हरदास, रविदास, दादू. आंसर होगा विद्यापति. And if you want to solve all previous year questions of UPSC IAS prelims from 1979 till 2023, there is a compilation. A link will be in the description. You can buy from there.